So Karen, you mentioned configurability. Why is configurability so important when shopping for an eQMS?
Great question. So, with our experience as a company, what we have found is that long-term quality professionals or people who have been dedicated to quality for 10, 20 years, they actually prefer systems that they can configure themselves. And the reason why is because they are able to take those processes that they've created for the organizations that they work with, that are very unique to that organization, and are able to take that and build it within quality management systems that are configurable, right? So no two organizations are the same. And so when you think about software should not restrict you to follow one process that they have for like internal audits or corrective actions. Instead, it needs to promote that organization's unique QMS needs and allow that organization to configure those processes to best fit what that organization needs it to do. Now, on top of that, the word configurability is a big buzzword we hear right now in the industry. And something to be aware of is that configurability for one solution might not necessarily mean the same for the other. So it's really important as a consumer to dive into some of those details to truly understand those differences. So when you're looking for an eQMS, ask questions around, can you configure the process flow or the workflows? Can you actually create your own processes and workflows? Does it have advanced field settings? Can you launch secondary workflows and copy information? Also, can you have email configurability? And do you have control over when those emails and notifications are going out to individual groups or individuals? And so that type of configuration and capability that you would need really allows you to create and take your system to the next level to fit your organization's specific needs.